Imagine your skin popping just like mine over here. It's not magic, it's just my skin popping up because I drink okra water. Guys, I took up an okra water remedy for 2 weeks and this is the outcome. So if you want to know how I did it, please keep watching. Enjoy the video while I go ahead to break it down to you.
This ain't Texas.
I love being your love.
So okra has a lot of health benefits which I for once really neglected, but ever since I tried this remedy, I deliberately and willingly fell in love with it. So first thing you need to do is grab your okra, probably 10 long slices of okra. Make sure you chop them just the way I'm doing right now. You can chop them into any sizes of your choice. It's just up to you. Make sure you chop it so well, so much so that you will actually, the slimy part of it will definitely overflow in the water. So chop it just like I'm doing right now, and make sure you find a bowl or a bottle just like you see me doing right now and feed it into it. Put it inside, and guys, you won't imagine how slimy this okra will look like once I'm done preparing it. So let me go ahead to tell you a little bit more about okra. Okra will actually help with digestion. It's actually going to help in weight loss. It's also going to regulate your blood sugar level. It's also a source of fiber, and it contains vitamin A, C, and folate. It also contains choline and magnesium, and also it's gonna help with your skin health. It's also gonna help grow your hair, and also it's gonna treat inflammation. So it's also gonna detoxify your body. Trust me when I mean detoxify your body, guys, it works immediately as you drink it. So it's also gonna help keep your skin really glowing and popping, and it's gonna cleanse your guts as well. But then if you are actually a gastritic patient, you need to consult with your doctor. But remember, however, if you drink too much of it, too much of a thing, it's not really good. So if you drink so much of it, it's going to cause bloating. So guys, mind you, you need to take a break whenever you engage into this journey. So guys, after I was done with this, I made sure I set it aside. Yeah, I just had to set it aside to make sure that I prep my other ingredients or the next ingredient that I'm going to include in it. So you should do same. So this is my okra, which is already sliced and put into this bottle. And our next ingredient is coconut water. I got this coconut water from the supermarket. Yes, I got it from Hot Max. It's a Japanese supermarket. I just had to make sure that it's the right coconut water and that it's organic and contains all the ingredients. But if you have the natural and the other organic one, which you're just getting it from your tree, then good for you, you're lucky. So this is coconut water. Guys, you could use any other water of your kind, okay? But then I'm using coconut water because coconut water is a very great source of vitamins. It contains electrolytes, and also it's also gonna help your heart health. Yeah, it's gonna help your heart health, and also it contains potassium in it, which is gonna help reduce blood pressure. Those of you who are always having a high blood pressure, I guess, and I know that if you drink coconut water, it's going to really help you so badly. So I had to boil some water, just a little bit of water. Yeah, I had to boil some water and mix it in there with the coconut water. Yes, that's just my choice, okay? Because the coconut water wasn't going to be enough. So I obviously had to boil and add some water in it. Yeah, I didn't want to drink cold and super cold water. This is winter and you don't want to drink water that is not warm. So that's how it looks like. This is the finished process, guys, and trust me, you should let it be for a day overnight, as well as you could actually drink it after, but don't drink so much. Yeah, but then the more it sleeps or the more it stays into this water, the more it gains its sliminess, and also it becomes really, really great. All the nutrients must have definitely been soaked into the water and left on for you to drink. You can as well use this combo on your hair for hair growth. I'm gonna go ahead to show you guys how I use coconut okra water on my hair, but then this will be on another video, because like I told you last time, I have stepped up with my hair game and I'm hoping to grow more inches on my hair, and I will not hesitate to actually bring in anything or any natural plants or water that will definitely help me through this process. So guys, what does it feel like to drink okra water? When I was drinking this, I had some visitors in the house and they were like, what are you drinking, okra water? I said, yeah, it tastes so good. It really, really tastes so good. Best if you definitely add your water, your coconut water in it, or you could drop some lime or lemon in it. But then it really tastes so good. Take a look at the outcome. The skin is popping. I don't need to talk too much. You know how my skin is. You know how we do it here. We go natural. All these pictures and videos are no makeup videos. This is me in the morning. You remember the video where we were going to Beijing? Remember, no makeup, so early in the morning. You can see just my lip gloss, but the skin is saying, hey girl, you're looking super amazing. This is me again here trying to wrap it up in the morning, guys. I love the morning sun and the sunsets. It contains vitamin D. Hey, we need these vitamins for our skin, so you should do same. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, please just let me know, comment down below, and I'll be there for you. While waiting for our Christmas day, this is another video for you, and it's our 5th day of shooting our Christmas video, and I really, really hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you're definitely gonna try this okra water on your skin. Guys, you can try this on your skin, you can try this on your hair, you can try it everywhere. Drink it and feel fun. Bye.